Hey traders, welcome to the tradingmentors.com. My name is Chris. I've been trading for over 35 years, but I want to show you a fantastic system of trading gold. If you want to become an instant professional gold trader, then this is the tools for you. The Quant Flow Dynamics software, or the gold on steroids, or the advanced pro charts. You have a choice of three systems to go by, but what I'm talking about today is getting into the signals room free for the next 7 days. Okay, so once you log into the free signals room, you've got 7 days to try it. If you don't like it, then you just go. It's fine. There's nothing to lose. No credit cards, nothing. So let's go on, and we can see that whenever we see a down signal, whenever we see the price fall below supply, and we see this combination, then the price falls. That is just 205 pips. Let's wind forward, shall we? And see what happens next. We've got a buy signal. $181 pips. Back into supply. With divergence, the red line is negative divergence. Wait for the cross down, wait for the cross down, wait for the cross down. Wait. Cross down. Held on to that position there. That is 338 pips. Down. $191 pips. You'll get the signals when they're ready. Buy, buy, buy. Buy, buy, buy. Hold, hold, hold. Link in description, link in description. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Hold. Look, wait for the crossover. Wait, wait, wait. Crossover, crossover, crossover. There, you've banked over 542 pips. Sell, sell, sell. Sell signal below. FVG 15 minute 45.43 target. Will it get there? Close. Notice the crossover here. So as the price moves above this moving average, exit. 249 pips. So you're talking about 500 pips, you're talking about 300 pips, you're talking about 300 pips, you're talking about 200 pips in a day. You keep counting the number of pips available, but there's 300 to 500 pips every day. Join me in the Telegram room for the free signals on this link in description.